Hello everyone, today I am going to open and build this latest LEGO Animal Crossing set Able Sister clothing shop. So this is the last of the new Animal Crossing set that I bought. So without further ado, let's open up and start building. here we are. I have finished building this Able Sister clothing shop. To my surprise, it's actually quite different to other Animal Crossing building. So without further ado, let's take a look at the build first before we take a look at the minifigures. This is how it looks like from the front. I think the Able Sister shop looks very good and does create the looks from the game pretty well. Although the red color is slightly too red in my opinion, but that's fine because the color combination kind of reminds me some of the older Lego sets. So this is how it looks 360 degrees, and this is the main shop here. All the other parts on the side is actually side builds, which I just connect as per the default recommendation. And of course, you can always customize your layout and connect with other Animal Crossing sets. So from this side, we have a smaller clothing stand to show some of the accessories that not label or the Able Sister is selling. We've got this new cat PC, and then we have a sunglasses. And then on this side, we have tree here, some water area, and also this white butterfly here. And this is a new color of the peach piece. I'm not sure what fruits does it represent. Lemon, because I don't recall in New Horizon, but of course lemon I think appear in earlier games. Even the Able Sister shop is done pretty well. We've got display window here with a bags. On the outside, there's a little bit less details compared to the other Animal Crossing buildings, but it makes sense, and that means that there's a lot more room for you to customize. And then the entrance also looks very nice. They're using this door piece, which is not new, introduced earlier waves. And then on top we've got the shop logo, which is printed as usual. Animal Crossing sets does not have any stickers, and it's always nice to get the iconic sign from the game. The chimney has some smokes coming out, and then the way the roof is built is also slightly different to the other Animal Crossing buildings. And now it's time to take a look at the interior, which I like very much. Again, inside you can rearrange the setup, but this is default setting. We have the sign on this, not the sign, the touchscreen for you to edit or create your own design for the clothes. And then we've got additional torso here to represent the clothes that the Able Sister are selling. Unfortunately, they have this white hand, so if you want to use this torso on some other minifigures, then you might need to swap the hand as well. And then we've got a purple pants that register with a bell coin on top, and also this sewing machine with a seat. But in the game, is Mabel's sister doing the sewing at the corner, but obviously probably Mabel can also sit here and make some new clothes. And one thing that I must not miss and go through with it is this printed photo of the Able Sister. I think it's done very well. I hope they continue with this theme so we get the minifigures for the remaining sisters. Talking about the sister, it's time to take a look at the minifigures. So we've got Mabel over here on the left, and then we've got this rabbit villager Sasha on the right. And to your surprise, Sasha is actually a male, not female. Anyway, Mabel the hedgehog wearing her usual clothes. It's a nice print on torso, and then with her skirt as well. But I think I recall in the game she's wearing the apron. This is actually the apron, not the clothes. But anyway, it's done pretty well, and the face and the head mold is done extremely well as well. And pretty cool minifigure to have. It's always good to have like key characters from the game. For Sasha is a newer villagers from the later game. Is one of the villager that I want in my game, but unfortunately I was never able to encounter him. You can see a very nice jacket he's wearing, and of course you can change his clothes once he's buy the new clothes from the Mabel, not Mabel, the Able Sisters. But again, reuse of the rabbit villager head, but with a new color and such as print. And then this is how he looks at the back. Overall, we've got two excellent minifigures again. And this is the Able Sister clothing shop. I think this is another excellent entry in the Animal Crossing stream. Yes, my opinion will be biased because I love the game. Of course, if there's something like, printed or unique parts that from the game and represent the game well, I will like the set. But just some fair opinion compared to the other set, although it looks similar, but it is a complete new building experience. I like the fact that they kind of extend the area for the inside just a little bit. I don't think that much, maybe just once that's longer compared to some of the other houses that makes it very spacious for you to customize what's inside. And also it's a lot less busy compared to other Animal Crossing set, which allows you to whether you place a minifigure or you want to customize the front of the shop, it's really up to you. And with two excellent minifigures of popular characters, it's definitely a set that I would recommend if you love the Animal Crossing game. Do let me know what you think about this set in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like.